Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix memory error page fault in non-page area in your Windows. Let's begin. I want you to go over here, okay? Click on the Windows button, type in CMD, command prompt, and make sure to run as the admin. Now, this error often indicates faulty memory access due to corrupted drivers or system files. So the very first step you need to do is to run the SFC scan now. This helps by repairing those faulty files and stabilizing system operations. So this is the very first step before you go into checking if you have any defective hardwares. So go in here, type in SFC scan now, and your computer will begin checking for any corrupted files. And once this hits 100%, it will show that they have found and successfully repaired those corrupted files. So you can go ahead, close, refresh, and restart your computer. So in most cases, this will definitely help and fix this error. However, if not, then you might need to check in your BIOS, make sure that XMP is disabled, or you need to check if your memory sticks are still working though. But that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.